we have an after to show you. This, from the approximate 2 feet away that you are, might look like a brand new Sebo Automatic X4 Extra, but it is not. It has simply been refurbished. Let's see how well it came up. Yes, hello my vacuum cleaner chums, how are you today? I'm a little bit low today, so you won't see my ugly face, which is possibly good for you. Also means I can stretch my legs out a bit whilst I show you this lovely Sebo. It's gone very shiny. Very shiny indeed, and it's not that shiny up close. I mean, if I pick you up carefully and we have a bit more of a closer look at it, it is quite scratched up. It's more evident on the back, sadly. There, oh yes, there we go, look. Unfortunately, the time has not been 100% kind, but it's not half bad considering where it started from. This was in much worse condition than I thought. All of the inside was mouldy and had obviously been used damp. It was just disgusting. Something had spilled on it in the shed back from when I had the Xantia. It had veg oil all over it, which bit of a shame, but that's all cleaned off. It's all looking lovely, and yeah, basically it's ready to show you what's what and then get it sold. So let's have a look underneath. You can't see underneath, hang on, there we go. So that's come up very, very well. There's the little door there. If I just take the brush roll out, because it hasn't got its original brush roll. The one that came with it used to put the light on and wasn't very good. This is a used spare from Stuart at Manchester Vac. Stuart at Manchester Vac actually sent me quite a few parts for this. So we have a much better brush roll. So that's good. Yeah, one of the other things that's been replaced is the wheels and the cogs inside. You see, I had, at the same time, Automatic X1. And I tried to take the wheels off of it. And under this end cap here, you take that off, there's those horrible big washer clip things. And they snap when you try and take them off. So I thought, oh, never mind. Bodged that with a cable tie. No. I got the machine back about 2 weeks after I did that. She was a cleaning lady and she's a lovely girl. I've done quite a few vacuums for her. So I said, not a problem, rip the wheels off this, put it on for her, back out the door, lovely. So Stuart sent me a nice new wheel set. Also the cog that runs the belt, it's actually on this side. Don't try and take those apart, doesn't work. It jammed and snapped the belt, and again Stuart came to the rescue with that. So yeah, be a little bit careful. If I just recline it. Oh, hang on, we have to come out of shot for a second because it's very long. I can't show you the filter because it's not fitted. Damn, I didn't get that out of the shed. Okay, well, imagine there's a post-motor filter in there. I've got one somewhere, I just need to dig it out. Inside here we have a pattern paper bag. Screw you all. This was given to me as well. It'll be fine just to sell it on Facebook. But inside is very clean for now. Very clean and very shiny. We have a very nice filter, which is actually given to me by Dorian from Hooverlux. Thank you very much, Mr. Hooverlux. This came in the box of random stuff with that Junior U1070, was it? That I did for him, that's featured on his channel very recently. He did a whole house clean with that. That looked very good. This was in with that, so that was amazing. That saved a few pennies. And yeah, basically it's pretty much just your average run-of-the-mill Sebo. Let's see how it works. Right, we're plugged in. So position you so you can hopefully see the little lights. And we'll give it a whirl. Do you know what? I can see that trying to groom this awful carpet. Let's quickly move to the hallway and see if we can see it any better. Yes, we definitely have. Some grooming occurred here. The carpet's gone very bad, which is a bit of a shame. It's not very good at all now, this carpet, but it has done an amicable job. Very amicable job indeed. So there we go. Not too bad at all, actually. I mean, people say that these things skim the carpet, and I have known it, I'll be honest. With this one, seems to do an alright job. It's not going to be a deep cleaner. These aren't. The newer pet ones apparently are. I don't have one of those. But it did a good job. I also, in that break, went and got the washed. Yes, I'm putting a washed filter in it. I'm afraid times is tight, and I'll be honest, it's perfectly fine. The one that was in it wasn't too bad anyway. So I'll put a nice washed filter in. It's probably the cleanest filter it's ever going to have by the time I've sold it on Facebook. And it has that filter in it, this filter in it for the rest of time. Well, that's just a bit too bad. This is a budget refurb. Budget refurb. It's gone very well. I've even got, oh, hang on. I've even got me 9 other bags to go with it. So yes, there we go. This only cost £10, and it did make that asset. It made an awful hissy, air escapey sound when we used it first off, and that's gone now. And I've had all the seals out of it to wash them and put them back. So reseating all of those seems to have fixed it, because there's no loss of suction now. I mean, if I check if the bag indicator light comes on. It does, so that's a sealed system. Very good indeed. So it'd be £10 Sebo. Not too bad at all. Just probably quite a boring video really, because there's not much you can say about these. Either haven't already been said, or it's just vacuuming, and I'm a bit too ill to want to vacuum too much at the minute. So I thought I'd just show you how well it's come up. Got a refurb thread coming for it. I'm a little bit behind on those, so that could take a while. But yeah, £10 Sebo, recommended. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye, I am still here.